Now the fun one.
Yeah.
The Phantom 3. The Phantom 3. All right, here we go.
Phantom 3 standard.
Standard. Yes, there's standard, advanced, and pro, I believe.
Come on. Oh, Lordy.
So a little box.
What's this?
This, we bought an extra battery.
The battery.
So sometimes when you buy it's a Phantom 3 extra battery. Hold on, Drew. So, over here. So I don't know if you're gonna have to charge these. I think you might.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, it's over here.
It's right there. There you go. Battery's pretty big.
Battery is pretty big, and it comes in this. Yeah, so that's the battery.
Dang.
So it just pops in, and I think there's a green light that goes on. You put that. So if we go back to the, well, I think this goes into that little holder that we were talking about before, which will be actually after this video when I edit. But okay, what else? All right, now the good stuff. Let me move this.
Nice top.
Okay, thanks. All right. So.
Nice packaging.
Security seal.
Huh.
What does that say? What does that say down there in red?
Security seal right there. 3-axis stabilized camera.
Stabilized camera.
Stabilized, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So that must be some sort of, yes, you've checked it. So undo that.
Whoa. Wow.
Do you get better fingernails than me?
No. Is that thing even supposed to come off?
It is, because that's how you undo the. So they put this security. So you see the security thing. They put it on. I don't know if it's people are saying they. What does that say? Open void. Oh, whether you've opened the.
Jeez.
So it's basically because it's some electronic, and once you've kind of broken the seal, it says that you've opened it. So it is definitely a multiple step. Oops.
You just broke the pen.
Oh, I did. Go get a
pen.
No, go get a scissors. Otherwise, I'm gonna rip the whole box. And I can talk. You know, it's the bizarre world we live in. You can close the door on the way back.
Okay.
So again, here's the void. So basically the Phantom standard. The camera isn't that quite as powerful as the other one. Okay, close that.
Oh no, they broke. There you go.
So how many people does it take to open a box? There we go.
Here's these things you have to peel off.
You have to pop them out. Oh, they're plastic over there too. Oh, no wonder. Okay, watch out, watch out, watch out. Ha 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 ha. All right.
Oh, look.
Okay, it says warning, read and understand all the user manual and safety manuals before instructing. So big one, like I saw online, Drew, was you got to make sure that,
read it.
Well, with wind and all that kind of stuff, they give you
Stickers.
They give you some different colors, so depending on which way you want to go with your drone.
Yeah.
And then they give you the quick start manual, which my guess is going to be charging. Phantom remotes, left, right,
all the remote stuff.
Flight specifications.
Yep. Quick start guide.
Download the app. You haven't downloaded the app
I
yet.
need to get the
Yep,
app.
you gotta do the app. Then it tells you what should be in your box, so let's keep that one.
Yeah, we need that.
And then safety guidelines from the FCC. Don't fly it over Disney World. Don't.
Yeah.
Okay.
No selfie sticks. Oh, that's sick.
Okay, so it comes like this. And it's leave this on because this tells you about how to put the propellers on. So let's do that last. So let's do this first. So here's the remote. Okay, so yeah. So this is for the phone. Okay. Again, pretty. I mean, from what I've read, so and it always will bounce back kind of the middle. What I've read is this is a little, not quite. You know, you obviously spend $1,000.
Caution. Ion battery do not load or transport package if damaged. And there's a fire thing by the damaged part. Yeah, great. Ion is packaging. Okay.
So my alarm went off. So we're just gonna start where we stopped there. Anyway, so that's the remote. So let's start a little pile over there. Ooh, why don't you take out the box?
What box?
Put the
Oh
box in,
yeah, the case that we opened in the last video.
Yep. Okay, so let's put this. So he's gonna open that up.
Sick.
And we'll do two things at once. So I think these go here.
They do.
So see if that closes now.
Oh, it closes. Imagine that.
Yep. Okay, and then I think this.
No, I think no.
Yeah, now close. See if it closes. You gotta watch the. No.
No,
Watch
you
it.
put it in wrong.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe like this. Oh yeah, there you go. Somehow like that.
No, I think that's wrong too, because there's this little thing.
Well, it's gonna go over there somehow.
Then let's
Well,
figure
we're
it
not-
out right now. I'm pretty sure they're putting it in wrong. That's wrong. That's worse.
Okay, then you tell me how it works. So maybe that goes.
Oh, the struggles. I don't know.
So you're making fun of me.
Goes over here. No, let's just leave that out until we find out where it goes.
Okay.
I think
So
it goes
we're not gonna get in a fight on YouTube right now. Okay.
Okay.
I think it goes over there.
I don't think so. Oh.
These are accessories. I'm not sure what this is. So little accessories, kind of some backup pieces. You're gonna definitely want to keep those. Yep, for the drone. There's 4 of these. So these must be for the propellers.
Just in case one of them
Yep.
flies off.
Yep. So we'll put that there.
No, that's not going to go there. Get those in here.
Okay.
No, we'll just keep it over here.
And then this is the charging cord. What are the other? Maybe the batteries are on this thing.
You already lose it.
Look already in.
Yeah, it's already in.
Okay. So then this is the charging cord.
Sick.
Okay. So put that right there.
That's not where it goes now, so we're just going to put it over here.
And then my guess these are the propellers. And it tells you about how to put the propellers on. And it gives you some backup ones too.
It gives you backup ones?
Yeah,
Nice.
I believe it does. So
I think those go in here.
Oh, those go in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You put those in there and this
Okay.
one. There we go.
And then,
Got it.
oops, no.
There's something wrong.
This is a
Charging cord.
micro USB. So I'm guessing that's the phone thing. That's another box. And then this is the drone.
Sick.
So I believe this plastic part comes off.
Yeah.
Because I think that kind of
protects it
from moving around too much. But I believe
those pieces were for attaching the camera.
Yeah, see, and then that goes perfectly in there. And then if you close it, I believe
this thing has to move over. And it closes. Whoa!
Look at that.
Sick.
Okay, so we'll do a couple flights. I know we're gonna do some basketball stuff with it too, and yep, we'll do some flights with it, and then we'll come back and maybe we'll do some in Florida. And yeah, so we got to definitely charge it up and do that. Awesome.